Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Sukla. Welcome to all in this channel. Let's study basics with me. So today I have taken a very important topic which is related to science and technologies. So a great news of the science and technologies, the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO on Friday, it means yesterday, successfully test fired enhanced range version of its 122 caliber rocket at the Chandipur test range in Odisha. The defense ministry said this rocket have been developed for the Indian Army, which can destroy a target up to 40 km. The rocket system has been developed jointly by Pune-based DRDO Labs, Armament Research and Development Establishment (ARDE) and High Energy Materials Research Laboratory (HEMRL), with manufacturing support from Economic Explosive Limited, Nagpur. The development of the enhanced Pinaka system was taken up to achieve longer range performance. So this is very important and it is very important. So let's see the Okay, so this was the launching of Pinaka missile system. So let's understand about the DRDO. That what is the DRDO? So DRDO is the Defense Research and Development Organization of India, Raksha Anusandhan एवं Vikas Sangathan, which was formed in 1958. So DRDO is the R&D wing of Ministry of Defense, Government of India, with a vision to empower India with cutting-edge defense technologies and a mission to achieve self-reliance in critical defense technologies and systems. So, the DRDO pursuit of self-reliance and successful indigenous development and production of strategic system and platform such as Agni and Prithvi series of missile, light combat aircraft, Tejas, multi-barrel rocket launcher, Pinaka air defense system, Akash, a wide range of radar and electronic warfare system, etc., have given quantum jump to Indian military might generative effective deterrence. And now the role of DRDO is very broad. So today, DRDO is a network of more than 50 laboratories which are deeply engaged in developing defense technologies covering various disciplines like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, combat vehicle, engineering system, instrumentation, missile, advanced computing and simulation, and special materials, naval system, life science training, information system, and agriculture. So several major projects for the development of missile armaments, light combat aircrafts, radar, electronic warfare system, etc. are on hand, and significant achievement have already been made in several such technologies. So nowadays, DRDO has a great role, and we are very lucky that this type of organization in our India, which is world's a famous, popular, and successful organization. So this is all about the DRDO. I hope you learn more about it. So thank you. Thanks for watching.